Campaigning is intensifying for the third phase of assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir, and Congress party is also bringing its star campaigners here in Jammu and Kashmir. You can see that Punjab Pradesh Congress chief Amrinder Singh Raja Waring is here. Sir, you have been traveling in Jammu city. What has been the response of the people?
Response, you have seen yourself that I think it's ultimate response, and we are winning all the seats. Congress is going to win in Jammu like anything.
But Mr. Umar Abdullah, your alliance partner is saying that Congress is not campaigning seriously in Jammu region. They are not focusing properly.
What Umar is saying or what he's saying about the campaigning and all that, he should speak to, I think, Rahul Gandhi. I don't want to come into that, because that is a talk between Rahul ji or Umar ji. Whatever Umar says, I don't know what he says exactly. I have not listened that. But I don't think so there is any problem. If there is any suggestion from his side to Congress party will listen that.
How confident are you about the victory of National Conference Congress Alliance in Jammu and Kashmir?
Not only confident, to be very honest, this time is our time now, that Congress is going to definitely form the government with a good margin.
Amrinder ji, one question related to Punjab politics. There are now reports that Punjab BJP chief Sunil Jakhad has offered to resign. He is apparently upset with the party high command because he has been ignored as far as ministerial berth in union cabinet is concerned.
Brother, he is not ignored at all. He is already a PCC president of the BJP party. What else he needed? He is in habit of doing all these stupid things. He always put his resignation when party. Look at the Congress party. Last time he said कि भाई Congress party ने मेरे को chief minister नहीं बनाया. That's why I'm resigning from the party. He lost the election, MLA election. Then Congress party को PCC president उनको बनाया. After that he contested as a by-poll MP election. Then he become a member of parliament.
Right.
All of a sudden he now wants कि भाई either I contested or not contested. Please मेरे को chief minister बनाए. कैसे बना सकते हैं? Same it is happening with the BJP. Now, after 26 years, this is the time that when BJP don't got any single seat in Punjab.
You feel that he's damaging the BJP? He's damaging the BJP, that's what you feel?
Yes. He is in the habit of putting the pressure on every party, even in Congress, now in BJP. People don't like all these things. I don't think so that people like in difficult times. He should stand with the party.
There are reports that he's upset that why Ravneet Singh Bittu was given ministerial berth and not him.
Whole BJP is upset with him. Why he become the BJP president? Why he become the BJP president? Whole BJP is upset. BJP cadre is upset. Punjab cadre, जो 30 साल से लोगों ने पार्टी को खड़ा किया, वो परेशान है. वो upset नहीं थे जब आपको बनाया गया. This is a party decision. Although I am against the Bittu that he lost the election and BJP made him this thing union minister, but this is the no reason of Mr. Jakhad that he is involved with the BJP.
If Sunil Jakhad expresses his wish to rejoin the Congress, will you embrace him?
No. That I have to ask my public.
What's your opinion, Mr. Raja?
That I have to ask my public. If my public says okay, other congressman says okay, then we'll see.
But you are not ruling out. You are not ruling out.
No. I'm not ruling out, or I'm not saying that he is joining the party, and I'm not saying him कि welcome Jakhad साहब, because most difficult time जब था कांग्रेस पार्टी के ऊपर, तब उन्होंने कांग्रेस पार्टी की पीठ में छुरा चुभोया मारा था. अब देखेंगे क्या होता है. जाखड़ साहब के पास कोई रास्ता भी नहीं है, इसलिए तो मैंने आज ट्वीट भी किया कि अब नेक्स्ट क्या है. जाखड़ साहब, ऑल द बेस्ट. जो कांग्रेस पार्टी को बुरे वक्त में छोड़ के गया था, आज अगर कांग्रेस पार्टी में
Is घर वापसी possible? Is this घर वापसी to Congress possible?
if he wants to come to कांग्रेस पार्टी, ये हमें चेक करना होगा. हम सोच के बताएंगे लेना है कि नहीं लेना है.
Many thanks for speaking to India Today.
Thank you.
So that was Punjab Pradesh Congress Chief Amrinder Singh Raja speaking exclusively to India Today. He said that he's quite confident about the victory of National Conference Congress Alliance here in Jammu and Kashmir. This is video journalist Iraj Kumar. This is Sunil Bhatt reporting from Jammu for India Today.